You know, there's a famous Vietnamese saying that goes like this. It says money is not for spending, but for making more money. However, after working hard for many years and achieving financial success myself, I can confidently say that this saying is outdated and doesn't apply anymore. So today I want to share with you my perspective on why money is not for spending and what it's really for. All right, let's get started. So before I give you my answer, I would like to start with a little story about a young man who came up to me one day and asked me this. He said, "Hey John, I saw your videos. You seem to be doing well financially, so I have a question. What do you think money is for?" And I paused for a moment trying to figure out how to answer his question, because I thought it was such an insightful question that truly got to the core of why we work so hard for money. So I took a deep breath, and then I gave him this answer. I think money is for buying freedom. Freedom from worries, freedom from fears, and freedom from depending on a job you hate. Then he looked at me and asked, "Is that all?" And I said, "Yes. That is all." All right, let me explain why I think money is for buying freedom. First, when you have enough money, you have enough money to take care of yourself and your family. You won't have to worry about where your next meal will come from, or whether you will have a place to live. You have enough money to pay off all your debts, credit cards, mortgages, and car loans. When you have enough money, you don't need to work anymore if you don't want to. And that's real freedom, my friends. That's the ultimate goal of working hard and building wealth. It's not about having a bigger house or a nicer car. It's about having the ability to live life on your own terms without being forced to do things you don't want to do. Second, rich people use money to buy time. You see, they understand that time is our most valuable resource because once time has passed, we can never get it back. So instead of trading their time for money by working a 9-to-5 job, rich people use their money to buy back their time. They hire other people to do the work for them so they can spend their time doing more important things. For example, if you're good with numbers, you can hire a bookkeeper to handle your finances so you don't have to worry about it. If you're bad at cooking, you can hire a personal chef to cook for you. Or if you need to get some extra work done around the house, you can hire a personal assistant to help you with that. By using money to buy time, rich people are able to focus on the things that are most important to them. They invest their time in building more wealth, improving themselves, or simply enjoying life. Third, rich people use money to buy opportunities. They understand that money is a tool that can open doors that would otherwise be closed to them. With money, they are able to invest in education, take risks, or pursue opportunities that others can only dream of. For example, if you want to start a business, you will need money to fund it. If you want to buy a house in a good school district, you will need money for a down payment. If you want to travel the world, you will need money for plane tickets and accommodation. With money, rich people are able to create the life they want. They are not limited by their circumstances or their background. Fourth, rich people use money to buy peace of mind. They understand that money can alleviate financial stress, which is one of the biggest sources of stress in people's lives. With money, they have a safety net to fall back on when things go wrong. They don't have to worry about unexpected expenses or financial setbacks because they know they have the money to cover it. This peace of mind allows them to enjoy life more and to focus on the things that are important to them. So those are the 3 ways that rich people use money to buy. Now, I want you to think about this for a second. Why do you think poor people and middle-class people don't use money the same way? Why do they spend money instead of using it to buy freedom? Well, I think it's because they haven't seen a good example of how to use money. They haven't been taught how to use money to buy freedom, time, opportunities, or peace of mind. Instead, they've been taught that money is for spending. It's for buying the latest iPhone or designer clothes or taking the family out for dinner. But I'm here to tell you that this is the wrong way to use money. If you want to achieve true financial freedom, you need to start thinking like the rich. You need to start seeing money as a tool to buy freedom, time, opportunities, and peace of mind. Once you start thinking like this, you will start using money in a whole new way, and that's when you will start seeing real financial results. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, "But John, I already have a lot of debt. I'm already living paycheck to paycheck. How am I supposed to use money to buy freedom?" And to that I say, it starts with small steps. Even if you can only save $10 a month, that's a start. Even if you can only invest $5 a week, that's still better than nothing. The important thing is to start now and to be consistent. Over time, these small amounts will add up to big results. Let me give you a real-life example. Let's say you have a terrible boss who pays you very little and treats you like a slave. You work 8 hours a day, but you feel like you're working 12 hours a day because your boss makes you stay late and work on weekends. You're miserable at your job, but you have to keep working because you need the money to pay your bills. Now, if you don't have any savings, you're basically a slave to your boss. You have no choice but to do what he tells you to do because you need that job. But if you had 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up, you could quit your job tomorrow and not worry about money for 6 months. During that time, you could look for a better job, start a side hustle, or even take a vacation. In this scenario, you can see how having savings gave you the ability to buy freedom. It gave you the ability to walk away from a bad situation and not have to worry about money. And that's the power of money. And that's why I believe money is for buying freedom. And if you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest financial tips. Also, you can check out this video over here, which is perfect for you if you want to learn how to become a millionaire. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.